Everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day series. Today is fun day, one of those slang words where you can use to sound more native. The word is BAŞ TACI. BAŞ TACI. BAŞ TACI can mean apple of one's eye, most cherished, or pride and joy. Let's see some phrases. The apple of my eye, our most cherished one, our family's pride and joy. Let's see Azerbaijani versions. BAŞımın TACI. Now, technically, baş is head, tac means crown, basically the crown on my head. It's kind of sounds like what it means, right? So, başımın, my head's crown, basically, the apple of my eye. That's the best English translation. BAŞ TACImız, our most cherished one. Ailəmizin BAŞ TACI, our family's pride and joy. Let's use some of these in the sentences. Sen mənim baş tacimsan. Or it can be Sen mənim başımın tacısan. It's technically the same thing. You are the apple of my eye. You are the crown on my head, basically. Now another one. O ailəmizin baş tacıdır. He or she is our family's pride and joy. Awesome. That was today's word, baş tacı. You don't have to use it in 100% Azerbaijani sentence. It can be something like this. Get ready. Treat your partner like baş tacı. Ladies and gents, thanks for watching. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijan.com for more. I'll see you there. Cheers.